Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis Lopez. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm so excited because I have been sent over the new teeth whitening kit by HiSmile to test out for you guys. So I've tested it, I have tried it out, and I'm here to give you guys my full honest review. It's called the PAP Plus Teeth Whitening Kit by HiSmile. So it comes in this box right here. It comes with 6 treatments and you see instant results after the first one. So I'm super excited. Let's just get right into the review. Okay, so first let's talk about what comes in the kit. So this is the package that it comes in here, really nice and sleek, love that. And then inside the kit, let me just open it. Inside the kit, you get your 6 pods. Each pod is a one-time treatment. So you have 6 treatments in total that you use for 6 consecutive days. And then you have your LED device that you use when it comes with the little mouth guard as well. And then it comes with this little pamphlet that gives you a lot more information about their new and improved formula called the PAP Plus formula, and it gives you also instructions of how to use the kit throughout your treatment. It comes with this little teeth whitening guide, which is amazing because you can see where the level of whiteness your teeth are to begin with, and then you can compare it to the end of your treatment, like where it is on the scale once you're done your 6 treatments. What's so unique about their brand new teeth whitening kit is the pods. So before in their old kit, they had like these syringes, and how you would use it is that you would use half of the syringe for one treatment, and then the second treatment would be the other half of the syringe. But now you get 6 individual pods that look like this. Super easy to use. You literally just open it and you squeeze the formula out and you apply it onto your LED light mouth guard. It's very easy, super convenient, it takes no time at all. And I like it too because it's a very easy squeezable bottle. You have full control of the product, so you can literally squeeze it to the last bit and you know that you're not wasting any product. So the pods are definitely a great plus to this new kit in comparison to their old formula and their old kit that they used to have. The new kit has also been clinically proven to whiten your teeth instantly after the first treatment, which is amazing, and it doesn't cause any sensitivity at all. No long-term sensitivity. You don't have to worry about any kind of discomfort. The reason why is because it is peroxide free, and the ingredient peroxide is usually what causes that soreness and like that sensitivity, that mouth sensitivity after whitening your teeth. So that is awesome. You not only get instant results after using it the first time, but you do not need to worry about any kind of sensitivity at all when whitening your teeth. You just get the beautiful results of a whiter smile. Today we're going to be doing the last treatment of my kit because I'm on the 6th day. We're going to be doing that together. But before we do that, I'm going to show you some clips of me using it on the first night so you guys could see how my teeth was. I'm also going to include before and after pictures at the end of the video. But let's roll the clips of the first night. Okay, so I have the box here on my bed. It is currently nighttime right now, and we're gonna try this out. So this is really cool. Let me show you what's in the box. This is the box that it came in. Here's the cover, and then in here was just like this little package that had like the instruction manual, some information on the formula. So you have 6 treatments. This is the LED light that it comes with, and then like where you would put the gel. But anyways, let's see where I fall. I'm kind of scared to do this, but let's see. Let me zoom in. Get really close here. Okay. So, sorry, I apologize if I have food in my teeth. I mean, sometimes I feel like on the camera my teeth look like oddly whiter than they do in person, and people will tell me sometimes like, what do you do to keep your teeth so white? But like, honestly, nothing. Okay, so I've zoomed in. This is the chart. Let's see. Okay, I bought you guys, sorry, I apologize. I have like lipstick on my bottom. I hope I don't have peach fuzz. It's embarrassing. Okay, so let's bring you guys closer. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, it's getting darker. That's awkward. Okay, I think I'm like I don't know, what would you guys say? What do you think I am? 5 or 7? Okay, so I've decided that I am a 9. So a 9 looks like this shade right here. That's the shade right there. I think I'm about a 9. So it says, the instruction says to wash your teeth, and then you're going to apply the treatment on for 10 minutes, which is really great. Not a lot of downtime. You can do this treatment really fast, which I absolutely love because I wasn't really down to have something in my mouth for like half an hour. So I love that it's 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go wash my teeth and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is one of the treatments. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my god, this is so cool. I feel like I'm doing like a science experiment or something. And what you do is you put it on the top. Okay, and then you just press a little bit in here. I've added the formula. Oh my god, this is so cool. And I guess you just put it in your mouth after. So I love the convenience of this kit. Also, it's so small, so you can easily just take it with you if you need to do your treatment somewhere that's not at your home. If you're going away or like for the weekend or whatever, you can easily just throw this in your bag along with the device, and you're good to go. Portable teeth, it's like a portable teeth whitening kit at the same time. Today we're going to be doing the last treatment of my kit because I'm on the 6th day. We're going to be doing that together. So you place the formula onto your LED light device, and the formula comes out so easy, and then just kind of use it to just swish the product around. I like putting it like on the edge there. That way you'll have the formula stick right onto your teeth, and then I'll do the same on the bottom. So once all the formula is on the device like so, all you're gonna do is plop it in your mouth, just there. Back, I finished my last treatment, washed, rinsed out my mouth. So let me just come in closer so you guys can see the results. So let me just zoom in. So I definitely see a difference. I like it because you get a wider, visible white smile, but it's like a nice, like natural whitening look. It's not like overly white where it looks fake. So I definitely had a very positive experience with my teeth whitening kits. Oh, actually, let's compare to with the teeth whitening guide as well. So when we, let me move back a little bit. So when we started, I think I said it was like a 7. I have to look back at the video the first night that I did this, but I think I said like a 7 or a 9. So let's see now where we fall in between of the 3 and the 5. So that's pretty good. We definitely see an improvement, so I'm super happy about that. Before we close out this video, I just want to say thank you so much to HiSmile for partnering with me for this video. Thank you so much for letting me be part of this experience and letting me test out your brand new launch. And I can honestly say that I'm so happy with the results. I definitely saw visibly whiter teeth at the end of my treatment. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye.